buy a Sub-Zero and Wolf product, what I'm going to guarantee you is our brand promise, and that is to provide you with great customer service. We automatically expect that the product's going to work right, perform right, and be reliable. But once in a while, we need to take care of some situations in the field. And I can guarantee you, through our certified customer service agencies, we can provide that high-quality service so that if things don't go quite right, we can fix those things and reinforce your decision to purchase our products.
Our partners are carefully selected and rigorously screened to build a team dedicated to customer satisfaction. Skills are sharpened in every aspect of service, with hands-on training and classroom instruction. Thorough knowledge of Sub-Zero and Wolf products is gained through intensive training at our factories and facilities.
Customer service is their #1 priority, and I think with any service provider that has to be what is the most important, because you can have good service people, but without good customer service, people can go to any other service provider that's out there.
A satisfied customer is worth 1,000 recommendations. Our best customers buy the best products, so they expect the best service. Factory certified service specialists are experts who know the product better than anyone else and are prepared to keep owners happy.
We're the frontline defense. Where there's a problem, usually there's turmoil with the customer, and we have to put them at ease.
This positive experience assures customers they made the right choice. Factory certified customer service is key to maintaining and building business.
Factory certified training has definitely made me confident in order for me to assess and solve issues that arise from any of these units. A completely satisfied customer is what it's all about.
Essential to a quick, productive service call is having genuine Sub-Zero and Wolf parts on hand. Parts designed and tested for optimum performance.
The parts distributors are also certified and they work closely with the factory. We do have standards that we have to meet. All parts for Sub-Zero Wolf carry a 1-year parts warranty. They're more durable, they last, they're according to the factory specs.
Every visit is followed by a serviceability review to get specific, constructive feedback. Responses are carefully considered, and we stay in contact with unhappy customers until they are completely satisfied. Our products are also field tested for ongoing user feedback. This one-on-one communication keeps us in touch with owners every day.
The factory certified installers are handpicked and are trained by the factory, so they share the same empathy and professionalism that Sub-Zero expects to have right at the beginning of ownership.
We send our people to Sub-Zero and Wolf for very extensive training. Our guys are dedicated to learning all they can about installation processes, and by learning all these things, they can be the best of the best.
Many customers are sold on factory certified installation. They get 1 additional year full coverage. You just don't get that anywhere else.
The customer experience is the #1 thing we strive for. Every interaction, we make sure that we meet or exceed the customer's expectations. It's so important to satisfy all their needs, and everyone in our department is empowered to do whatever they need to make sure that we come to a resolution with the customer.
We have the freedom, if a customer has an in-depth issue or a very large concern, to take care of it right then and there. We aim for completion and resolution of a customer's question or issue on that call.
The Customer Care Center supports our service partners too.
If a service technician calls in to ask us a question, we're either going to know it off the top of our heads, research it through emails that have gone back and forth. I may call one of my coworkers. If that doesn't work, then we go ahead and we have a path we can take to the engineering group.
The service is unique to Sub-Zero and Wolf, and we're proud to offer a high level of support to owners and partners.
Future technology is always on the radar. For example, we're working on technology to diagnose problems before the service person arrives on site. We're testing owner-friendly technology to monitor or operate appliances off-site by smartphone or tablet, and the ability to interact with the energy company. At the end of the day, it's about the customer, what makes their life easier. Whether it's new technology or old-fashioned customer service, we strive to be the best.
I look at service like this. It's a competitive advantage for Sub-Zero Wolf. We spend a lot of time and energy to provide great service to the end user. Because we know this for sure, is that word-of-mouth advertising is very powerful in the marketplace. And when consumers speak in a positive tone regarding your products, that's very powerful when they're talking to their neighbors or other people. We provide service so that not only do we keep that customer satisfied, but we are also looking ahead for new customers.